Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today, I'm trading with the broker Quotex and waiting for my opportunities to take in a good trade with this two-way strategy for binary options. Actually, I don't using this strategy for a long time, so I forget a few steps that I need to follow before checking the signals. You see, my first two trades was out the money. But I want to recover these losses, and the strategy is going to be so simple. We are going to use two indicators, stochastic oscillator and the Bollinger Bands. And the trade or the rule is going to be simple. When the stochastic oscillator is above the period 80, the maximum of the period 80, and the inside the moving average start going down, we are going to trade for a put. But we need to have another confirmation, and it's this one here. Touching my extreme 2 of my Bollinger Bands. So this is the way that we need to trade with this strategy. We trade for 3 minutes, and I really hope so stay in the money. The strategy is so simple, but let's go to wait to see how. And then right now the pattern is confirm my strategy, just cross and start going down, and I really hope so stay there and have this trade in the morning. It's gonna be simple the way we are gonna trade with this strategy. The chart, we need to see it in 1 minute. We are gonna trade for 3 minutes. We are gonna use the stochastic oscillator and the Bollinger Bands. The stochastic oscillator, the period is gonna be 14, 3, and 3. I think this is the next line confirmation, and the periods of the extremes lines are gonna be 80 and 20. That period, so that extreme line is going to be by default. So with this strategy, working and trading with binary options on the past months, I have a great results. Just like I say, I don't use it anymore the last months, so I want to take it again and trade and see how ending this trading session that I'm gonna share with you right now. So I really hope so generate profits. We have 1 minute more to end it, and I need to have a good red candle. Come on. Sorry, I have a fever. So let's go to see how ending this. Come on. Okay, let's go to wait for another opportunity. This is for a call. Too much lines. The pattern is confirmed, crossing going up, and we are gonna wait how ending this trade. And I will back in a few minutes. We're gonna take in a few more trades and see how profitable or writable can be this strategy for me today. Wish me good luck, guys. Okay, guys, just closing and ending this live trading session with this turbo strategy for binary options. The first trade that I take it was a huge mistake because I totally forget how to trade with this strategy. But let's go to show you my results. This is the trades that I have today. The first three was out the money. 1, 2, 4. I have 5 in out the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the money. 7, 8 in the money. 9 in the money. With this turbo strategy for binary options. This is a live trading session. I didn't cut any part. I hope this video like it. I'm gonna have more trades with this strategy, and I really hope so generate profits with this. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell. If you want to copy my trades with pocket option or Quotex, you need to use the link below on this video. It says copy my trades with Quotex or pocket option. You need to deposit, register and deposit using that links, and we are gonna share with you my trades and you can copy my trades. And today was a good day for me for Quotex. I have a good trade with Quotex. I trading with a bigger amount there, trading with $100 because I have a more bigger balance. So I have a good results today. So I really hope so this type of video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.